I'm here in Springboro looking for cicadas. I haven't seen any. I can hear them, but my phone has a terrible microphone, so I don't know how well you can hear them. When I'm here looking for cicadas, I took a path that I didn't take before when I've been back here. And there's a creek down there. I hopped to the other side of the creek, and then I, climbed up this steep place right here. It was pretty hard. It didn't look as tall when I started climbing it, but I'm up here now. I've never been up here. This is a nice little clearing. I wonder, if there's any cicadas here. I haven't seen any cicadas out here yet for some reason. I don't know if it's just where I am, but they do sound like they're coming more from that way, out by the tree line. So I'm gonna make my way over there. It's a cicada.